Y'all see that? Oh my goodness. Alright guys, I am wrapping up my day today. Definitely a warmer day today, but slower than last week. I caught excuse me, I caught 6 today, but I got 3 in the box. One that'll be on the video, the rest of them were just too small to show. Caught most everything today on a white spinnerbait. The lake's very busy, I guess, because it is supposed to be close to 90 today. People trying to get that last gasp of summer in. Anyway, I'm going to show you the 3 that I got, and not very big, not very impressive, but they are 3 keepers. Thank you for watching the Jabronis Coach Fishing Channel. Be sure to come back next week. Oh, what a difference a week makes, guys. I've been out here for a minute, and I mean, I've had a couple of bites. I've caught some dinks, and I know this one ain't very big. When I say dinks, I mean itty bitty dinks. Had one bite back by the fisher track that actually felt pretty good, but it let it go. So yeah, first bass. I mean, see, I caught. When I'm dinks, I'm talking about that long. So just over here fishing around the pads. Nice, I got wet. Welcome to the Jabronis Coach Fishing Channel. Dang, did y'all see that? Oh my goodness. I mean, that bad boy hit the water and landed on something, or in his mouth. I ain't sure which. Not sure which. I mean, talk about getting the boat. Talking about a reaction strike. Guys, you talk about a reaction strike. I know y'all saw that, right? I mean, as soon as it touched the water, this one had it in his mouth. That's pretty cool. So I'm just out here in the shallows and trying to go around these paths, and like I said, that was just a reaction bite. As soon as it hit the water, I had a fish. Throwing a lipless crankbait, a blue chrome lipless crankbait. Pads, he ain't that big. He ain't even that big. He's not bad. A little bigger than I thought he was. So I'm still over here around the pads. Now I'm throwing a lipless. You can see I'm throwing a white spinnerbait and paralleling these pads. Cause these fish are out here, man. They're Even for between, they're not biting very well. Dang. Threw right back in that same spot. Threw that right back in that same spot. Must be a ton of them in these pads right here behind me. Because I literally threw that right back, that white spinnerbait, right back in that same spot. It's a cookie cutter. No monsters, but hey, they're quality, man. They're keepers. There's my 3 for today.